Okay. Hello there. Good evening. My name is Jashri. You can call me Jash. How about you? What's your name?
Name is
Tran. Your name is Tran? Okay. How do we spell your name, my dear? T. Okay. What's your name again?
My name is Thảo.
Okay. Well, how do we spell your name? Can you help teacher spell your name? Okay, starts with okay. This one. My name is Hello. Hi there. Okay, my name is Okay, do you have an English name, dear? So that teacher can easily call your name. Hello? Hi. Okay, let me call you Sweetie. Hello there, Sweetie. Good evening. And by the way, again, my name is Teacher Josh, and welcome to our classroom. Okay, how old are you, dear? Are you 6, 7, 8, or 9 years old?
6, 7.
Okay, how old are you? I'm
I'm 7 years old.
Wow, you're 7 years old. Oh, hello there, little boy. What's your name? I'm Teacher Josh. And how about you? Oh, teacher can't hear your voice. Okay.
Nghe
Oh, there you
được
go.
chưa? Hello.
Yes, hello. Hello, sir. Good evening. Yes, I can hear your voice now. Hello, little boy. What's your name?
My name is Tùng.
Tung. Hi, Tung. Nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Jashri. You can call me Jash. Say,
Mấy năm
okay. Hi, Tung. Nice to meet you. And hi, sweetie. Nice to meet you. Okay. How old are you, Tong? Are you 7 years old, 6, 8, or 9 years old?
Um, I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. So you are the same with Sweetie. Sweetie is 7 years old too. Okay. Are you ready for our new lesson? By the way, how are you today? Okay. How are you today? Okay, Sweetie, are you happy today? Okay, my Tran, are you happy today?
Con hỏi con đi. Yeah.
Oh, so Tong. Tong is happy today. How about you, little girl? Are you happy today?
Yes.
Wow, it's nice to hear that you both happy today. Okay, so let's go now to our lesson. Our lesson this evening is all about feelings. Okay, now look at the picture. Okay, let's start with okay, Tong. Look at the picture. Look at this. What can you see? I can see. Okay, what can you see in the picture? I can see
See.
like this.
I can see a sky.
Okay, I can see a sad face. Hmm, sad face. Okay, can you please read? I can see a sad face. Okay, come on, repeat after teacher. I can see
I can
rồi.
see.
a sad face. A sad
Đọc
face.
cho cô đi.
Okay. How about you, little girl? Look at this. What is the girl doing? Ha, 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 ha. The
Happy.
Okay, so the girl. Okay, let's make a sentence. The girl.
Is happy.
Okay, very good. The girl is happy. Okay, how about this one? What is the boy doing?
Is fine.
Okay, so the boy is shy. Very good. So he is shy. Okay, very good. And okay, little boy, or okay, Tong, can you please read our title for tonight? Say feelings.
Phyllis.
Okay, little girl. Okay, very good. Since teacher can't really call your name because it's hard for me to pronounce. Teacher will call you little boy and little girl. Okay? Okay, my dear. Let's go to the next okay page. Look at this. Okay, now say happy.
Happy.
Okay,
Happy.
little boy. Okay, very good. Happy. And now let's make a sentence. The girl
Happy.
is the girl is
Happy.
happy. Very good. So this is how we make a sentence. We put first the subject with which is the girl. Okay, let's go now to the next page. Okay, next. Hmm. Okay, now look. He
I
is
can sad.
okay, little boy. What can you see?
I see a sad.
Okay, I see a sad boy. Or let's make a sentence. He is sad. Okay, can you please read this one, little girl? He is
He is a sad.
okay, he is sad. Okay, look at the cat. Little boy, look at the cat. What is the cat doing?
He's
Okay, the
sad.
cat is frowning. Oh, yes, very good. The cat is sad. Okay, next one. Oh,
Happy.
look.
Hot.
Okay,
Hot.
so, okay, the boy is feeling very,
Hot.
yes, very good. The boy, okay, let's make a sentence then. The
Hot.
boy, okay, wait. The
I see a
boy is,
is hot.
okay, feeling
Hot.
hot. Very good. Okay, one more time. The boy is feeling hot.
Hot.
Okay, very good. Good
Not
job.
very hot.
Okay, now look at this. What is the baby girl doing?
So is a hot.
Okay, the girl feels hot. Then what did she do? She is having, or
Hot.
she is in front of the electric fan. It's very hot. I want some air. Oh no, it's very hot here. Okay, next one. Next page. All right. Okay. How about this one? Oh, yes, very good. Now let's make a sentence. The girl, or okay, this
Is
is okay. The girl, okay, is feeling
scared.
cold. Cold. Okay, so when you are
It's a
cold,
cow.
yes, cold, feeling
The
cold.
girl is a girl.
Okay, let me, okay, let us make a sentence. Okay, repeat after teacher. The girl
The girl is a
Feeling. Okay, one more time. The girl is feeling cold.
A girl is feeling cold.
Okay, the the girl. Okay, look at this one. The girl is feeling cold.
The girl is feeling cold.
Okay, very good. Good job. Look at the bear. Okay, how about the bear? What is the bear
There is
doing?
a cow. There
Okay,
is a cow.
okay. This is a bear. Okay, now what happened to the bear? The bear is feeling cold too, just like the girl. It's very cold. Okay, the bear is feeling cold too. Okay, now say it one more time. Say cold.
Cold.
Okay, so when it's very cold, we will wear a hat. Okay, a wool hat and a jacket. Okay, let's go now to the next page. Okay, okay, look at this one. Look, yes, very good little girl. So the boy, okay, let's make a sentence, guys. The boy is
He's feeling hungry.
Okay, yes, the boy is feeling hungry, or the boy
The
is.
boy is very hungry.
Okay, yes, you're right. The boy is very hungry. Oh, okay, you can say the boy is feeling hungry. The boy is very hungry. The boy is, okay, the boy is hungry. Okay, all right. Look at that. He is thinking about, okay, what's this? What is he thinking? It is
Food.
okay, very good. Give teacher a high five. Come on, high five. Yay. And for that, teacher will give you two. Okay, so this one. Okay, this one is for little girl. Okay, you did a great job. You got an excellent star. And for you, little boy, you got a great job star. Yay. Very good. You did a great job, guys, and give teacher a high five. Come on, high five. Yay! Very good. Okay, keep up the good work. Let's proceed to the next page now. Okay, look at that. I want to drink some water. Okay, it's okay. The girl
He's
is okay. Very good. The girl is thirsty. The girl is thirsty. Okay, can you please read again? The girl.
is happy.
Okay, thirsty. Okay, little girl, repeat after teacher. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Okay. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, next. Okay,
Page
listen and
4.
number.
B. Listen and number.
Okay, listen
1,
carefully.
Good job. Thanks. I'm happy.
2,
I'm cold. My hands are cold. I'm not cold. I'm hot.
Oh,
3,
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Thank you.
4,
Pizza. I'm hungry.
5,
Oh no, my ice cream. I'm sad.
okay. Now let's number the picture. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's see here. We have number. Okay, look, we have number one. Okay, look at number one with the red shirt. What is he doing? He is. Okay, let's make a sentence. He is.
Hat.
Okay, kicking the ball. Okay, look at this one. He is kicking the ball. Okay, who among you here know how to play football? Okay, Tong, do you know how to play football? Oh, teacher can't hear your voice. Hello? Okay, there you go. Yes, I can hear it now. Okay, little girl, do you know how to play football?
Yes.
Wow, little boy, do you know how to play football?
Yes.
Wow, how about you, little girl?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so this one, just like you guys, okay, this boy also know how to play football. And now look at the picture. He is kicking the ball. Okay, now let's see here. Okay, now let's say, good job. Okay, repeat after teacher say,
Good
good job.
job.
Thanks, I'm happy. Okay, thanks, I'm happy.
Good job. Thanks. I happy.
Okay,
Job.
very good. Good job. Okay, so the next one. Okay, the next one is. Okay, wait. Okay, the next one here. This is number one, and this is number two. Look at this one. What happened to him? What is he feeling?
Feeling is cold.
Okay, very good. He's feeling cold. It's very cold. Okay, now let's read the sentence. Brr, I'm cold. Okay, this one. Let's read this one. I'm cold.
Cold.
My hands are cold.
My hands are cold.
Okay, again. Brr, I'm cold.
I cold.
My hands are cold.
My hands are cold.
I'm not cold. I'm hot.
I'm not cold. I hot.
Okay, so the other one, look at this one. This girl is feeling hot while this boy is feeling cold. Oh no. Okay, let's go to number three. Okay, look at number three. Okay, this one is number three. What is the girl doing and uh, what is she feeling? She is feeling very good. She is feeling thirsty. Mom, I want to drink some water, please. Okay, look at this one. It's a water. And she wants to drink some water. Okay, now let's read the sentence. Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are. Here you are.
Here you are. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Good job for that. Teacher will give you another reward. Okay, surprise.
Pizza
Yes, a pizza. Who among you here wants pizza?
is
Okay, let's take a bite. Ah. Okay, come on, let's take a bite. Very good. Okay, give teacher a high five. High five. Yay, very good. Okay, now let's go to number 4. Okay, number 4. This one. What is she feeling?
She's hungry.
Very good. Okay.
Feeling
Okay.
hungry.
Okay, very good. She is feeling hungry. She is hungry. Okay, now let's read. Okay, let's read some words or let's read the sentence. Pizza. I'm hungry.
Pizza. I'm hungry.
Very good. Okay, good job. Now let's go to number 5. Look. Oh no, what is he feeling after dropping the ice cream? He is very. Oh no. Oh no, he
Sad.
is sad. He is feeling sad after his ice cream dropped. Look at this one. Oh no. Okay, now let's read the sentence. Okay. Okay. Oh no, my ice cream. I'm sad.
Oh no, my ice cream. It's not.
Okay, very good. Let's go now to the next page. Okay, now listen and say, then practice. I'm happy.
Happy.
Okay, so when you are happy, you will make a smile like this. Smile. Okay, show me a happy face. Show me a happy face, dear. A happy face. Okay, next one. I'm not sad. So if you are happy, it means that you are not sad. Okay, repeat after
Not
teacher. I'm not sad. I'm not sad. Okay, very good. Now, today we have learned about I'm or I am. So it's the same. It's just the short it's just a contraction of I am. I'm or I am. Okay. I'm happy. I am happy. Okay, repeat after teacher. I am. I am
happy.
happy. Very good. And say I'm happy.
Happy.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, next. Listen and say, then practice. Okay, number 1. Look, what is she feeling? Okay.
Happy.
Ha- happy. Okay, now let's make a sentence using I'm. Okay, let's make a sentence using I'm. So it's I'm. Okay, I'm happy.
Happy.
Okay, very good. Number 2. Look, I'm okay. Your car is broken. What will you
He
feel? Okay, so
is
now,
feeling sad.
okay, very good. He's feeling sad. Okay, now let's use I'm. Okay, I'm.
Đây chủ thể là ai còn I'm
Sad.
Okay, very good. I'm sad. Okay, number
Sao này?
3. Okay, number 3. Look at this one. Number 3.
Oh,
Look, it's very.
Hot.
Okay, very good. Now let's say I'm.
Hot.
Uh,
I'm
I'm hot. Uh,
I'm hot.
Hot.
I'm hot. Okay. Okay, now let's go to number 4. Look at number 4. What is he feeling?
Mình nhớ đó.
Feeling is cold. He
Okay.
is feeling cold.
Very good. And now let's use I'm.
He
I'm.
is cold.
Okay, he is cold. Very good. Now, how about let's use I'm. I'm.
Cold.
Okay, I'm cold. I'm cold. Okay, number 5. Look at that. Number 5. Okay. Okay, number 5. I'm.
See,
Okay.
feeling hungry.
Okay, hungry. Very good. Now let's use I'm. I'm.
Hungry.
Okay. Yes, very good. I'm hungry. Good job. Okay, number 6. Number 6. Okay. I'm.
Cất gì này gì mà?
Khăn nước.
Hả?
Khăn nước.
I'm.
I thirsty.
Mẹ bé này không?
Okay, very good. I'm thirsty. Yay. Okay, now let's use or let's read I'm not. Okay, now this one is I'm happy. And if you're happy, it means that you're not sad. Okay, let's use I'm. Repeat after teacher. I'm not sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay, this one. I'm not happy. Happy. I'm not happy.
I'm not happy.
Okay. How about you, little girl? I'm not cold.
À.
Cold.
Okay. This one. I'm not hot.
Đi lên đi tiểu đi. Không sao cả.
I'm not hot.
I'm not hot.
Okay. Very good. This one. I'm not thirsty.
I'm not thirsty.
Okay. Last one. I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry.
Okay, we are done with our lesson. Yay! Give teacher a high five. High five. Yay! Okay, we are done with our lesson. Thank you so much, Dong. And thank you so much, little girl. Goodbye and see you next time, okay?
The teacher.
Bye.
Bye teacher.
Teacher.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye bye.